Let us discuss three measures of location, which is mode, median and mean in this video. Mode. The data that has highest frequency is a mode. It is also called as the data that occurs most often. Here, we'll find out the mode for ungrouped data. The question is, calculate mode for ungrouped data given below. First step is we have to arrange the given values either in ascending or descending order. First arrange the given data in either ascending or descending order. Here we are going to arrange it in ascending order. So after arranging, the value will becomes. Now we have arranged the given data in ascending order. Here in this order, the number 8 occurs frequently, which is 3 times. Hence, in this example, mode is 8. In case, you can see in this example, the next value is 2. Suppose you have one more data as 2. So in that case, the number 8 also occurred 3 times and the number 2 also occurred 1, 2, 3 times. Since both the values have occurred equal number of times, the answer will become 8 and 2. Value which has occurred frequently is the mode. When more than one value is occurring same number of times, those two numbers will be the mode of the given question. Next we'll see mode for grouped data. Here, to find out the mode for group data, we have a formula which is mode equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. This is the formula to find out the mode for grouped data. Let me tell you what are these things. First L1. So L1 is the lower limit of modal class. Modal class is the class interval which has the highest frequency. So in a given example, in case 20 is the highest frequency means the class interval which has this highest frequency is 25 to 30. In this case, 25 to 30 is the modal class and 25 is the lower limit. Then F1. Here we have to take three frequencies, F1, F0 and F2. If 20 is the highest frequency means this frequency is F1 and the frequency before the modal class is F0 and frequency next to the modal class is F2. So these three frequencies has to be taken. And I is the class interval of this modal class. We'll see an example for this grouped data. Here is the example to find out the mode for a grouped data. The question is, a tabular column is given which shows the frequency distribution of a sales per day. Here the first row represents the sales volume which is the class interval and second one represents the frequency distributions of the sales per day, that is the number of days is mentioned here. Let us find out the solution, that is finding the mode for this data. So as we know, a modal class means the class interval which has the highest frequency. So when you see this frequency value, 5 is the highest value and this class interval is the modal class. We'll substitute the values in the formula. We know the formula is, since 5 is the highest frequency and 61 to 64 is the modal class, we know L1 is the lower limit of the modal class. Modal class is 61 to 64. So among these two, 61 is the lower limit. L1 is 61. Then frequencies F1, F0 and F2. So F1 is the frequency of the modal class. So this is F1. The previous frequency is this one, F0. The frequency after the modal class is F2. F1 is the frequency of the modal class which is 5. F0 is the frequency before the modal class which is 4. And F2 is frequency after the modal class which is again 4. I is the class interval. Interval is 3 here. So we can substitute all these values in the formula which is mode equal to L1 is 61 plus F1 minus F0. F1 is 5 minus F0 is 4 divided by 2F1. So 2 into F1 is 2 5s are 10 minus F0 is 4 minus F2 is 4 into class interval is 3. So when you calculate this, you will be getting the answer as 62.5. Hence, model sale is 62.5 units.